This is the solution video for section 9.3, problem number 7. The slope field shown in the figure at the right represents solutions to a certain differential equation. Which of the following could be a specific solution to that differential equation? All right, so what are we looking for here? We are looking for which one of these graphs could be drawn here and fit. All right, and so now what we need to do is we need to think about what each of these are separately. All right, so first of all, sine. You need to know that that graph looks like this, right? All right, so does that graph fit? Well, if I start drawing it, okay, does it fit? And the answer is no, right? It does not fit. All right. So what's the easiest way to know that it doesn't fit? Well, the slope here, right, is not horizontal, right? So, okay. Next one, cosine. All right. Cosine looks like this. It starts at its max, goes here, right? And then like this. All right. So now, is the slope of cosine 0 right there? Yes, it is. But now, as you go to the right, it decreases, so its slope is negative, and those slopes are positive. So that is not the answer. All right. Tangent. All right, what does tangent look like? All right, tangent looks like this, remember? All right, but then it also has a vertical asymptote here, and then it continues again, and it repeats the same thing, and it has the same thing over here. All right, is that the case? Well, think about the slope right here, right in the middle, right, at 0. That slope is positive, but these slopes are 0, so that is out. All right, secant. What does the secant graph look like? Remember, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So when cosine is positive, right, secant looks like this. Then it has a vertical asymptote when cosine is negative or 0, and then when cosine is negative, it looks like this, right? And then it repeats that, right? Same pattern. All right, so that is our cosine graph, right? All right, so now let's think, does that fit? All right, so let's see. If we start here, we're going to go positive, right? And then we go up towards an asymptote, and then we go over here up, right, with a negative slope towards an asymptote. Yes. Then we have this vertical asymptote. Then it's down here, and it goes down, right, which seems to fit. And then over here, it would go down as well. And then obviously we run out of room. So it looks like secant is actually the answer. But let's make sure we understand what cosecant graph looks like. Remember, cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So its vertical asymptote is on the y-axis, and then it goes up like this, and then vertical asymptote, and then it goes down like that. So it actually looks very similar, but it would just be shifted. So D is our answer for number 7.